5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? Welcome to Team Ramina.
Unboxing tayo mga guys. Bumili kami ng dehumidifier. Buksan na yan.
So, bumili kami nito just to help eliminate allergies and dust mites. It also prevents millipedes and other pests. And, tinatanggal din niya yung mga molds, viruses, and bacteria.
Para masarap ang tulog natin.
It's so slick, right?
Ano pa hinihintay natin? Buksan na natin yan. With 2.5 liters capacity, good for 100 square meter, and 65 wattage.
On top of it has a power on and off, temperature, and humidity. It's so easy, just plug and play.
With 1-year warranty card and user manual.
After 8 hours,
So, ito na yung water na collect niya from the moisture in the air. Yan.
effective siya mga guys. Tapon na natin, bukas ulit.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
This is a non-paid advertisement.
Shopee and Simplus, Bikini Min.